let's take a look at creating a custom texture for our walls. I'm going to come down to the Materials paintbrush, and there you'll see Custom Material. Under Custom Material, we can build out the custom color using RGB values, and the cube or sphere will show the texture that we create. I'm going to change the values here to be 72, 60, and under blue, 55. I'll keep that a smooth texture, and it can be a flat or an eggshell or a satin or a semi-gloss or a gloss paint finish. I'll keep it at flat. And under properties, this is where we give the project name. So I'm going to call it SW9580 because this is cracked pepper from Sherwin-Williams. You can give the information about the price, the manufacturer. So if I wanted to type in Sherwin-Williams, I could do that here. And I'm going to save this into the CADsoft core to save it for future projects as well. And then I hit save. Now when I look at my paint colors and all of my different elements here, I'll just do a refresh. I have my new cracked pepper. And if I apply it to the walls, I then have the Sherwin-Williams cracked pepper into my project.